Good morning, HTM 101. I hope you can hear this okay because I'm actually doing this video from a restaurant since this week we're going to be talking about restaurant business. And I wanted to make sure that you saw one of the features that we're going to think about in this week's lesson. So the restaurant business, you're going to be thinking a lot about different classifications of restaurants, as well as reading some articles on trends. And restaurant business in general. I also do want to point out that there are a couple of assignments that are not due just yet. Just one, build your own restaurant, will be one super fun way for you to get creative and think about your own food and beverage business if you were to have one. And the other ones are kind of more future thinking, so reviewing those assignments and then considering in the future what questions you have to be able to complete them. I also do want to highlight, and I'll send out another announcement, that this coming Tuesday, March 1st, will be a joint open office hours, which is optional, with Lorraine Salceda and myself. Lorraine teaches some other HTM classes, so we're hoping to engage with more of you. And I know some of you are taking both classes right now. So I really do hope that you enjoy taking a look at what I have for you this week in terms of restaurant business and what a big business it is. And let me see if I can flipped my screen, and I'm taking a look at this particular restaurant that I'm sitting at. And if you can see from it, it does have indoor and outdoor options. It is a lineup, so you do see that line in the far rear where people are lined up at a counter in order to place their order, and then they get a number and are able to have that food brought to them. And so this is a breakfast time on a Sunday morning, and as you can see, they've been able to adapt their business quite well for the pandemic. So I hope you've enjoyed a little bit of a field trip, and have a great week ahead. Thank you.